All right, pick back up. Mile 18. Hopefully I can get this mile. I'm at 15%. And it's about 3:30 here on this mile, and we'll have to get a battery replacement here. And if you've seen the other videos in the series, the lake is up today again, and oh, we're getting so close to the dam. See through the woods. We're right there. We're right at the dam. Got some workers working today. I don't know what they're doing. So they're dealing with the rock or something, or the structure. Hello, how you doing?
How you doing?
Doing well.
I bet you get some good pictures.
Yes, sir. I'm actually making videos. Yeah, I'm
It's a beautiful trail out here.
it is. I've filmed almost every mile of this trail and put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to finish it up today and tomorrow.
Good. You ever meet the guy that keeps them up?
No, sir. I'd like to, though. Shake his hand.
You'll see him up there at that building every so often.
Yes, sir.
He does a great job. About as old as I am, but he does a fantastic job.
You know, I may have ran into him. I think he rides a four-wheeler sometimes on the trail to kind of.
He runs a four-wheeler out to do maintenance now.
Yeah, I think I have ran into him.
Nice guy.
Yeah, I tell you, they like on several of my videos. I make the comments of just how when there's trees over the trail, they've got them cleared up within like a day or two. It's amazing.
He is out here almost immediately.
Yeah.
Are you doing trails all over Alabama, or just this, or what?
Anything I can film, sir.
Have you been to Pinhoti?
Not yet.
My brother-in-law, my nephew, my brother's little boy, my nephew's son runs 100-mile cross country.
Yes, sir.
And they use Pinhoti and the Cheehaw Trail for training. That ain't what you're supposed to do.
All right, welcome back. I just had a really nice conversation with a gentleman named Don. He's a very friendly gentleman. I appreciate his conversations, and he complimented me on my YouTube channel and it made me feel good. You know, there's some great people out here. Nice little open field right here. Up there at the top is a house. But a nice little open field. I bet deer love to come down here and eat. Yeah, beautiful. But yeah, shout out to Don. Don, if you ever watch my channel, shout out to you. You were just lifting my spirits today. You know, I kind of talked about, you know, my mom being sick on the videos, being kind of down today. But Mr. Don, you just lifted my spirits just for good conversations, and I thank you for that. I needed that today, and I appreciate you and your kindness, and I hope life always treats you well, sir. I'm gonna have to like coming on the first parking area before Duck River, the road before Duck River Bridge. I think it's County Road 1640. And first parking area here, but a great shot here. Beautiful, beautiful, this vista of the lake here. And as you can see, I've been pointing to the orange bobbers, and there they are. There is Duck River Dam. Parking area, the spillway, there it is. Okay, I'm scared to try the rest of the mile. I'm gonna call my dad, get him to come. Okay, case in point, just how much the lake is up. That right there, no trespassing sign. You see that right in front of you? That's the fence. That right there is probably about a 7 to 8 foot tall fence. And you could walk down there and it'd be well above my head. I'm 6'1". It'd be well above my head. So 8.5 foot fence. Some of you just couldn't, like, you know, step over. And it is almost underwater. That is pretty cool. Just to show you, I've been commenting all day just how much the water's been up. But it has been real. It is a big time today. Okay, we're at the trail. I'm gonna call and get another battery. Cause I got like 6% and I really want to get 18. I want to get as much as I can today. Get 18 and then get the lower trail. Shout out to my dad's neighbor and my longtime neighbor, Mark Howard. Shout out to you too, sir. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'm gonna try to get the lower trail today, but I'm gonna come back and get a special 30 to hour long video on Big Rock just itself. I won't have the battery or the memory card capacity to do that today, but here's just another shot of another sign. If you can just pause that and read it and kind of show where I've all been on here. Back to the trail here. Okay, so this is the parking area right here. Got some nice little boulders here, the remnants of building the dam, I guess. They're breaking down all the bluffs and stuff and the rock on the Duck River and turning into on the dam, putting out there on the dam, and that's just some remnants, I guess. So follow along the trail here, a little road walk here. I know road walks are not the most exciting, but I like a nice change of pace. You know, give me a good road, trail, whatever it is. I love it. But I think I am gonna call my dad. Give me a battery, get my camera back down here, get in a fresh battery, get a fresh memory card, and go ahead and film 18 and either 19 or the lower trail. Hoping it doesn't get any like auto zooms here. Last time I did a road walk with going towards coming from the dam, it started like auto focus. Try to zoom in, zoom out and stuff. So hopefully I'm off the ground enough where it's not trying to pull the ground into focus. Okay, I'm going to get to the entrance of the trail right here. And call my dad, get a fresh battery memory card, and that way I know I'll at least have about 45 minutes to an hour left of filming, and I know my battery will last, because this one's going to die. I'm not going to make it. Right here's a 1640, I believe, right there. The road, I'm not sure about the county road part, but I believe it is 1640. And there's the entrance of the trail. I'm gonna call my dad, tell him to come up here, and I'm gonna pick up right here. Alright, we're back here at the trail where I picked up about 30 minutes ago. Had a 30-minute break, and here we're off. We're continuing on mile 18. And a nice little break, I needed him, but boy, did I kill about this close to 30 to 45 minutes of time. But back on the trail, feels good. I feel rested, and we've seen the first parking area on 1640, I believe. And got some nice vistas through here. I was off over there on the other side, a little open spot over there. It's kind of cool. Down below this little road, little construction road here. Oh. I'm gonna try to fix something real quick. Alright, picking back up. Had to fix something on my camera. They were going on a decline here. Motor was not hooked up on my gimbal right to the little thing on my camera, so I had to fix it. So it might have been kind of shaky there. My apologies. Today's been a day of stop and starts and changing batteries, memory cards on the fly. Have a fresh memory card. Have a fresh battery. I could get another mile of this. I probably believe I will. I'm gonna get this in the lower trail and I'll be done for today. Not done with the series, but done for the day. Getting close to being done for the series. Not quite yet. Kind of go walking downhill. It's probably one of the sharpest downhills I've had. So if the camera, this area right here, JC and C Adventures, he did a bike exploring the Duck River Dam video where he did like a GoPro to a mountain bike and or a BMX bike and just kind of rode the trails. And he kind of explored this area pretty well with his video series. Had some drone footage. This JC and C Adventures. If you enjoy this video, please look his up because it is. I really did. I enjoyed that video. Okay, the noise you hear here, that is from 278. You can probably see it. Yeah, you can't see it through the trees, but I can see cars, the sunlight hitting cars, and I can see cars through the trees over there. That's 278. This little road in front of you is a workers. It's a little for the work. They come in here and work and got like a little station down here with the house things, pumping station. I think there's a pumping station down here too. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. But as you can see, it's not accessed by its they say it's locked off. It's not accessed by the public. You can't come down this road. Okay, back here where it says trail, we're heading towards the trail. I love the downhills. I'm not gonna lie. Downhills is where it's at. But you can kind of hurt yourself going on downhills where you kind of go too fast and you work different groups of muscles. You can hurt yourself. So it's good to kind of pace yourself going downhill. Got some little wildflowers growing in here. I hope they come up on camera pretty well. It's pretty little violet, little light violet flowers color. You know, I've had a couple people stop me today, Mark and Don. They kind of stopped me today and kind of encouraged me on my video series. So I just want to shout out to both of y'all. Thank you. I really didn't need the encouragement today. And as you can see through there, you can hear it. There is Duck River. Not the lake. This is actual river. This is below the dam. And we are finally below the dam, folks. That's the river. That's why this is what the river looked like when I was growing up and I was camping here. This is what I remember. Okay. And if it is up, stay away from the moss on the rocks. Moss on the rocks is not fun. Okay, this right here, this used to be a gentleman had some property here, had a house here on this side of the river. And he built himself like a little fire pit and a little bench area. Really nice. But he had to sell his property to the city of Coleman to build the dam. And I don't know, it's just really nice. I wish you could camp down here. This would be a nice little fire pit. I mean, safe. You could build fires. Yeah. But there is the rolling river of Duck River. I would put my camera on the ledge right there, but I'm afraid it would fall off. It's on a little gimbal / tripod, and there's the second bridge that they made for the trail. That's the one below, the south bridge below the dam. We saw the north bridge on mile 9, I believe. Just gonna let you enjoy the sights right here. I love this. I love it. This is my favorite part of the trail right here. Again, just kind of show you the rolling river today. This has really lifted my spirits. See, getting here, and might as well go down these stairs here. And this gentleman built stairs and everything. He did a really amazing job. I'm not going to show you me climbing down stairs, but I'm going to be careful because they're kind of rickety. I may not suggest, but we're going to get down here and get some views down here. Stairs. I'm sorry if it's like focusing in and out there. I'll try to stand still so it won't do that. Let's kind of jump across right here. That's a pretty good shot below the bridge right there. Got the bridge in frame. It is rolling. The water is surely rolling today. It's pretty awesome. And one more shot of, okay, that's south. That is towards 278 Duck River Bridge. You can probably see the bridge in the distance. You see the beautiful, wonderful light, sunlight reflecting off the surface of the river. Okay, and up here, around here, we're going back up those rickety stairs there. Get back on the trail. Thank you for letting me take a little detour. This is not officially part of the trail, but you've got to come down here when you're here. That's cool. Let's take a shot here. Under the staircase. Now let's go back up the stairs. They really do wobble a lot. So if you go on the stairs, be careful, folks. Pick back up on the trail. And as you can see, it's really hard to get lost on this trail because very well marked. Don, who I was talking with earlier, back on, well, probably about an hour ago now, since I stopped, took a break, and changed my battery and stuff on my camera. And he's telling me that the gentleman, there's one man that takes care of this, and he does a phenomenal job. He makes sure it's well maintained, well marked, cleared, and I wish I knew his name because I would like to buy him a steak dinner. Thank you. You've given me so many hours of enjoyment. Now this is the official name of the trail. When it was created and everything, the city of Coleman actually got a grant to help build this. But I really do enjoy it. Okay, we're on the bridge now. We'll stop right here and get you some more views. Kind of, so you don't get fence, nothing. Turn over here. And off we go. I'm hiking to 18, but I'm not quite sure where that is, because here's lower trail and upper trail. I may have to finish on the upper trail, then come back to the lower trail. Now the lower trail it's not really counted on the mile postings. It's kind of off that. That's where you see 19.2 and 21.8. That's where you see that right there. Upper trail is considered part. It's going to be where mile 19 is. Lower trail, unless you know, it's kind of off the grid a little bit right there. I think it was kind of added. They kind of added it to it a little bit later. I'm glad they did though. Okay, here it is. That's what I was looking for. Mile marker 18. Appreciate it. We'll catch up. I'm gonna decide which trail I'm gonna do next, but I think I'm doing lower.